find dy by dx of the function x to the power of y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. So let us consider x power y is equal to u and y power x is equal to v, so that our given equation becomes u plus v is equal to 1. On differentiating, you'll get du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So let us find du by dx and dv by dx separately. So x to the power of y is equal to u. Let us find differentiation by applying logarithm. Take logarithm on both the sides. So we have log x to the power of y is equal to log u. So which implies y log x by using the formula log a power m is equal to m times log a. So we have y times log x is equal to log u. Now differentiate with respect to x. We had, so y into differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to log u differentiation comes as a 1 upon u du by dx. So we have y upon x plus log x dy by dx is equal to 1 upon u. U is nothing but x to the power of y into du by dx. So we can also write it as du by dx is equal to x to the power of y times y upon x plus log x into dy by dx. And again y power x is equal to, let us consider y power x is equal to v. So take logarithm on both the sides. So we have x times log y is equal to log v. So differentiating with respect to x, we will have x times 1 upon v dy by dx plus log y into differentiation of x is 1 is equal to log v differentiation 1 upon v into dv by dx. Or we can write x upon y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 1 upon y to the power of x into dv by dx. And also can be written dv by dx is equal to y to the power of x times x upon y dy by dx plus log y. Now let us substitute in du by dx plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So which implies that x to the power of y into y upon x plus log x dy by dx plus y to the power of x times x upon y dy by dx plus log y is equal to 0. And on simplifying, we'll have x to the power of y minus 1 into y plus log x into x to the power of y into dy by dx plus y to the power of x minus 1 into x dy by dx plus y to the power of x log y is equal to 0. And now taking common, dy by dx taken separately terms. So we have dy by dx of x to the power of y log x and here x into y to the power of x minus 1 plus x to the power y minus 1 into y plus y to the power of x into log y is equal to 0, or we can also write this as a dy by dx is equal to minus of x to the power of y minus 1 into y plus y to the power of x log y upon x to the power of y log x plus x to the power x into y to the power of x minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, thank you.